Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 29. Oh my gosh, we are done. Our homeowners have been living in their home and have settled in, and it looks fantastic. You are not going to believe the transformation. We have had Clint with Clay Walker over here to photograph and get our final photos for this space, and he took some really good shots. I'm so excited to show you around our space today. So here we are in our fabulous living room. You can see where we have opened up the space, made natural light flow through the spaces better. Over here on your left-hand side, we increased the size of that opening, that doorway. We made it taller so it matches the one on the other side to the dining room. And then when we created that opening for the living room to the kitchen, we complemented the ceiling by centering it between the trays and then giving us some natural light from that space also. It looks so fantastic in this space, and it looks so much bigger and more spacious. This is the front of the home with the bay window there, the original front door with the stained glass, and the absolutely charming letter holder for the mailbox. As we walk through into this space, there's a little bit of a sun glare off that kitchen window, but you can see our cabinetry by Carmen is looking fantastic. Homeowners use this breakfast nook every single day in front of the beautiful windows and capture the view of the neighborhood. But isn't that space great? And that cute little pendant above? It looks so good, especially with this open peninsula here on the end to increase the visual volume of the space. We took the cabinets all the way to the ceiling with the beautiful crown molding. We left some open spaces for decorative items as well as open storage with these floating shelves. They look so good. And then the neutral palette kind of makes it feel just cozy and charming. We kept the milk door, repurposed that and had it done well. Lovely. Look at that handle on that door. Our homeowner repurposed these interior handles for the doors and shined them all up. They look so good, friends. And then as you see, this is that basement space that looked so scary before, and now we've got beautifully painted stairs. We infilled the vent on the wall. There's no longer a hot water heater hanging there, so it all looks so good. For this dining room space, we enclosed the doorway, relocated the thermostat, and then created this beautiful wall for this buffet. I'm going to turn on this light fixture. She looks so nice and just illuminates the space so well. This doorway between this dining room and the den, we took the trim work off of it, opened it up, and finished it so it resembles the other doorways into the space, just to elevate the look and feel of the home. Great seating arrangement here with this furniture and the art on the wall. The very classy, classic design aesthetic for this space. This fireplace was there before. It's been changed to gas so that they can use it, but then the TV got mounted above. Great ventilation in the space, great lighting in this space, and then this beautiful nook over here. Look at how she designed this with that greenery and the ficus tree. Just looks so good as we look out onto this gorgeous back patio space for this home. These new doors, oh, they're so nice. Okay, as we walk up these steps, you'll see we got the luxury vinyl plank on the steps also. They did a really good job at the installation there with the bullnose edge trim pieces. Then you walk up here into this nice guest bedroom, and look, the hallway is no longer open from one space to the other. There's some gorgeous elements in this bedroom space, but the new windows keep it more sound resistant to the neighbors and everything going on out there. But the space is just so nice. And then our little soffit above the door to enclose the HVAC ductwork, supply and return, so that we could get that on the main house and then include the music room into it. So the guest bathroom and music room are both part of the main house instead of needing their own separate unit. And our HVAC company did a great job at balancing the air throughout this home. Here's this gorgeous vanity piece and beautiful mirror for this guest bathroom, and this stunning shower. I love this shower. You're going to be able to see it better in pictures than you are in video because of all the reflections, but it is just gorgeous. And the green of the tile floor just ties all the colors there just tie everything so nicely together in that space. Now we've just got a dog door. We actually filled that in with block and finished the wall. There's our piano that had to come through these back doors. Aren't those gorgeous? The view out this back is so fantastic. And then the furniture placement. So the furniture is placed so that you visually look toward the outside. And they've got everything set up in here so that it's a gorgeous indoor-outdoor living, accessible space that's just so nice. And then our gorgeous brick. I am so glad that our homeowner was inspired to leave that brick exposed in the process of finishing off this space. The texture of it, the color of it, everything about it is just so fantastic in this space. As we walk into this master bedroom and bathroom space, you'll see here, friends, here on our right, we have that gorgeous little pendant just sitting up, the sconce sitting up there on the wall, but then here's where our washing machine and dryer are with all the things necessary to do the laundry inside the house instead of out in the garage. On these warm Phoenix days. We maintained the niches here in this hallway. Again, that historic charm, those elements that were really important in the telling of the story of this home. And then these floors look so good. Our guys did such a good job of sanding and refinishing these floors, and then the color complements the luxury vinyl plank in the living room. Now for the master bedroom, in this master bedroom space, these windows look so good. So we did some custom drapery brackets on the wall so that they are actually the inside corner, they're L-shaped, so they carry the curtain through the corner, which is really nice. They are room darkening and blackout lined, so that makes the whole space very comfortable and cozy for sleeping. But everything looks so good. And then you'll see there, we've got the closet got an update, so it's got some new doors on it, no drawers below. We finished the wood floors through it. They're able to use that for functional storage. Closet storage solutions helped us pack out and pack in all of the things necessary in this space, but then these arched doorways leading into the master bathroom area are just so gorgeous. Landing spot here with extra storage, water closet over here on the left, a new privacy window in the water closet, but that gorgeous tile flows through this whole space. And again, we have a beautiful handle. We didn't have a reusable handle for this door, so a new one was purchased to complement the other finishes within the home. But look at this space. Oh, those gorgeous sconces on the mirrors. We did those through the mirrors to help reflect light, make the space feel light and bright. And then that large shower. It's so nice. Double bowl vanity. Oh, it's just all so pretty, friends. Oh, that's our interior walk through of this space. Doesn't it look so good? They did a fantastic job in selecting pieces that complement their home and their design aesthetic and style. And then we were able to really magnify the classic design elements of this house and the charm, the historic charm of it in the process of remodeling the interior. Oh, so good. I'm going to look forward to showing you the outside in our next video, but thank you for being on this journey with us, friends. We are so grateful you've been here with us through all, going to be 30 episodes, but for Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.